a nice lonely elevator ride down to the first floor. I'm late for my class already. Gotta get my coffee, and everything should work out. Hopefully there will be no distractions. And oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, look at this guy. Who does he think he is? I mean, what is he doing? Alright, just don't make eye contact, you'll be fine.
What?
Oh, okay, let's go. Close the door. Come on.
Can you hold the door?
Whoa, alright, let's look over. No, not gonna look over here. Or, you're really close to me.
Yo, hold the elevator. Yeah, bro, what'd you do? Like, what'd you end up doing?
Yeah, dude, I don't know. I just went to that party, yo.
I don't want to hear about your stupid frat party. I'm just trying to get down the elevator as quickly as possible. Oh, let's just pretend that I get a text message and maybe everything will just go away.
Sorry. Hold up. It's cool, girl. Yeah. So, like, the applesauce, it was everywhere. Like, the cops came and we got busted. Yeah, I got tased. Yeah, tased.
You're blocking the door?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, so like.
Okay, at least we're going down. Let's just look around, see. Nope, don't want to look there. Oh my god. Who's getting off?
Yeah, it's
For real?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you should have been there, man. It was insane. There were monkeys and trampozones.
Wait, where's my ID? Oh, that means I gotta go back upstairs now. Going up alone this time.
What?
Oh my, oh no.
Yeah, so like,
You gotta be kidding me.
Totally crazy. Like,
Dang.